Hello students, this is our chapter 1 of unit 1 The Living World and part 3. Today we'll study about hierarchy of taxonomic categories and increase or decrease in similarities.
Hierarchy of categories is the classification of organisms in a definite sequence of categories, which are called taxonomic categories. It's a descending order starting from kingdom and reaching up to species, or an ascending order from species to kingdom. The number of similar characters of categories decrease from lowest rank to the highest rank. The hierarchy includes 7 obligate categories: kingdom, then division or phylum, class, order, family, genus, and then species. Each level in the hierarchy represents an increase in organizational complexity. This slide is showing taxonomical hierarchy, showing arrangement in ascending order. You can see species, then genus, then family, order, class, phylum or division, and then kingdom. So we can learn like this: keep pots clean, or family gets sick in an easy manner.
It is the lowest group of basic taxonomic category which consists of one or more natural populations of individuals that resemble one another more closely than individuals of other species, interbreed freely, have a distinct genetic setup, and are reproductively isolated from others. For example, Panthera leo, Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum. So, a species is a group of individuals in which the individuals can interbreed among themselves. Members of a species have large number of similar characteristics. It is the first higher category above the level of species, that is genus. As per rules of binomial nomenclature, a species can be named only if it is assigned to a genus. A genus may have one or several species. A genus having a single species is called monotypic, and just like the genus Homo is monotypic with a single species, that is Homo sapiens. A genus having two or more species is called polytypic. Now the genus Panthera is polytypic, just like Panthera leo, Panthera pardus, and Panthera tigris are the different members of the all are the different members of a genus Panthera. Just like you can see, potato, tomato, and brinjal are three different species, but all belong to genus Solanum. So Solanum tuberosum is potato, Solanum melanogena is brinjal, and Solanum lycopersicum is tomato. The category is of higher rank than that of genus and is formed of one or numerous related genera which are more similar to one another than to genera of other families. For example, members of Felidae, Felidae is the cats, tiger and lion all come under Felidae. And Canidae, Canidae में dogs, wolf, fox, etc. आते हैं. All the genera of a family resemble one another in certain correlated characters indicating a common ancestry. For example, family Canidae, dogs की जो family है, contains 4 genera of Canis, Vulpes, Lycaon and Deucalion. Family Felidae includes Panthera and Felis. Family Solanaceae of dicots have genera like Solanum, Petunia, Datura and Atropha. There is some difference in the suffix used for families. A plant family ends in a suffix a, c, e, a, e, and subfamily in oed. An animal family has generally a suffix I, D, A, E, a subfamily I, N, A, E. So these are you will study about these in higher classes. It is a taxonomic category having one or more related families that possess some similar correlated characters which are lesser in order as compared to correlated characters of the genera of a family. For example, in animals, order Carnivora contains related families of Canidae, Felidae, and Ursidae. I have already told you Canidae is the family of dogs, wolf, and fox. Felidae is the family of cat, leopard, tiger, lion, etc. Ursidae is for bear. All of them are carnivorous with large canines, means their canine teeth are large and they all are meat eaters. Powerful jaws and claws, etc. They all are carnivores. Similarly, in plants, the order polynomials have 5 families, including Solanaceae, Convolvulaceae, and Polymoniaceae, and Hydrophyllaceae. All of which have regular corolla with stamens equal to the number of petals. In plants, the order ends in a suffix ales. Class is a major category made of one or more related orders that possess certain similar correlated characteristics. For example, in animals, the class Mammalia has a number of orders like Carnivora, Rodentia, Legnomorpha, Insectivora, Primata, etc. All of these which possess mammary glands, external ears, and hair on their bodies. In plants, suffix used for class is physi, and suffix is not used in case of family. For example, amphibia, aves, mammalia, and cyclostomata. Phylum is a taxonomic category higher than class and lower in rank to kingdom. The term phylum was coined by George Cuvier is used for animals, while for the term division coined by Eichler is employed for plants. The phylum or division consists of one or several related classes having a few similar correlated characters. Class Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia are included in phylum Chordata. All of them possess 4 common characters of presence of notochord, holodorsal nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits, and postenal tail. So these all are included in the phylum. The term kingdom was given by Linnaeus in 1751. It is the highest category in taxonomy, where all the organisms included in it share a set of distinguishing characteristics. For example, all plants in plant kingdom or all animals in animal kingdom. R.H. Whitaker has recognized 5 kingdoms of organisms: Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, etc. We have studied all these in 9th standard, and in this class we'll study in detail. It's observed that number of common or correlated characters is maximum in lower rank or categories. The number progressively decreases with the rise in the rank of category. Species of genus Panthera have several similar traits. The different genera of family Felidae have less number of similar traits. The different families of order Carnivora still a smaller number, while orders of class Mammalia are related to each other by fewer common traits. Therefore, higher the category, greater is the difficulty in evaluating relationship of its components or other taxa of the same level. Just like all heterotrophic organisms which are eukaryotic and like a cell wall are kept under animal kingdom. And all the plants which are photosynthesizing, do photosynthesis, are kept in the plants kingdom. In this hierarchy, you can see that species is present at the lowest level and it has maximum number of similar characteristics. Then as we go upwards, then the number of similarity in characteristics goes decreasing.